In 2026, people will not go broke from low income. They will go broke from bad habits. Most people think tiny habits don't affect your life that much, but in reality, you are not something you think of, but you are what you does. That's why rich people keep getting rich because they are financially literate and know what habits to master to maintain that position. Financial education and financial literacy both are totally different topics. Why I say that? Because financial education explains how money moves, but financial literacy decides where you end up when it does. And stay till the end because there is a bonus habit for you which is extremely powerful and no one will tell you. Let's get started. Habit number 1. Pay yourself first before life steals it. We live in the world where everything is automated. And that's a good point, but there is a sad backstory behind it no one's talk about. Automation is good. You don't have to give efforts for paying money or paying bills like we have to do in past years. But that makes you unconsciously spend more because you can't see money going throughout your hand. I mean, we all have subscriptions and we do lot of online shopping, and that system creates an illusion where we think buying things are so easy and effortless. But one day you realize your bank balance start appearing negative because we never track your spending. In 2026, money disappear faster than ever. As I said before, subscriptions, UPI tabs, one click buy gives you so much dopamine that you can't control yourself. Even if you know you don't need to buy unnecessary things. But this video is a sign for you to stop getting in that trap and start doing things which will help you to be financially free. So the question is how we can stop this. You don't need to delete your UPI apps or clear your subscriptions, and I'm not suggesting you to stop buying things online. We have much simpler and easier solution for that. You have to master this one habit to change that. The moment you get paid, instantly move 10 to 20% into savings or investment and then live on what's left. This one habit alone separates people who grow well from people who earn but stay broke. Habit number 2. Track only one number, and that's your monthly burn rate. Forget tracking every coffee. Many people will suggest you to track every expense, and I personally feel it's useless because that gives you more stress, and one day you are gonna stop everything and keep shopping because you feel good when you buy things, and that will be total disaster for you. So rather than just know one number, how much money you burn every month to survive. What I mean by that, how money do you need for rent, food, travel, bills and minimum lifestyle? Why this matters in 2026? Because job market change fast in these days. AI disruption is real, layoffs happen silently. But if you know your burn rate, you will know how long you can survive without income, how much emergency fund you need, and when you are actually safe. I mean, be clear how much you actually need so that you can plan for every crisis because clarity is the real power. And also, you will know what monthly income target to achieve for living a lifestyle where you can spend money comfortably. Habit number 3. Automate everything. Nowadays, willpower is outdated. I mean, people are not disciplined anymore. We can't control emotions. And I know you are tired of hearing control your emotions, control your spending, control everything. But I will give you more real and easy approach where your emotions can't damage your financial plan. And you don't even have to force yourself in a position where you become emotionless just to fix your finances right. In 2026, smart people don't rely on discipline. They automate everything. Set auto investment, auto savings, auto bill payment because motivation fails, but automation doesn't. I mean, even if you're dealing with breakup or any emotional situations, you can't control everything at once. We are human after all. So this system will keep your professional life and personal life separate. So you don't have to regret over things you have done emotionally. And this system will help you to think less about money, enjoy more, be free, and this will make your money behave better. Habit number 4. Learn before you earn more. Most people think if I earn more, my money problem will disappear. But that's a totally wrong approach. Because in 2026, higher income means higher lifestyle. And that means you will deal with same stress every time. So instead, learn basic of investing, understand inflation, know how tax works, learn difference between assets and liabilities, In short, what I'm saying, invest in yourself first because you are the only one who decide whether you're gonna end up broke or become the richest person in your bloodline. What do you think? How do rich kids stay rich? Because rich people know how money work and how to make money work for you. And that same thing they teach their kids. That means once you master financial knowledge, you can also save your next generation from being poor. Habit number 5. Kill lifestyle inflation early. Every time income increases, people upgrade everything: phone, rent, lifestyle. They keep adding liabilities, and I have told you in my previous videos that upgrading your life after every raise is the most common mistake people make in their life. But wealthy people upgrade their investment, their skill, and their income stream. Do you ever try to notice how rich people behave, what they do, how they think? If no, I am suggesting you to try once in your life, and you will notice every time they get money or their income increases, all they does is they move their 70 to 80% of money to asset and investment. And that one rule really changes everything. So keep this in your mind. Always focus on asset rather than buying things to impress others. Habit number 6. Build at least one extra income stream. Now, this point has the potential you would never imagine because creating an extra income source, even if it's very small, changes everything. You're never gonna know when did $5 per month becomes $5,000. Now, you would say, why should I focus on so many things rather than I can work hard, study hard, and find good job or high paid business? Yes, you can, and every other ordinary people does that. But that's the difference, right? If you want to do what others are doing, then you don't deserve to get what few people achieve. Don't think you have to generate an second income because you're weak, but you have to because the system is unstable. You can see it everywhere. Markets are falling, jobs have gone. I mean, there is tension everywhere. So why would risk your life only on one income stream while you can have multiple? And especially in 2026, it's too easy to achieve that approach. We have so much opportunities to create income stream like freelancing, selling digital product, content creation, skill based side work, and the most amazing part, you can get every information so easily and free in this era. I'm not saying you have to build multiple business or start doing two jobs, once a day, once a night. I will never suggest that bullshit. It doesn't have to be huge. Even 10 to 20% extra income gives you mental peace, negotiation power, faster wealth growth. So do what you want to do, what you are good at, explore, give a chance to your hobbies, and one day, you never know, your art would go from $3 to $3,000. Your book would sell in millions. Just give it a try. Habit number 7. Think in years, not months. I have said that so many times that you are not going to be a millionaire in less than 2 years. You have to approach a real factor. Poor money decisions happen when people think short term. What most rich and successful people think of every decision is, where will this put me in 5 years? Will this help future me or impress people today? It's always about mindset, and your mindset is in your hands. In 2026, patience is a superpower because we have seen a lot of things in 2025. And my prediction is everything is going to change from 2026. Markets are gonna climb high, properties rates are going to break record highs. So this is your chance. Work, invest, explore right now because you will regret not investing in 2026 when you will see world's position in 2031. Now it's time for bonus day. No spending day. I know it sounds too easy and too simple, but trust me, even if you try it for 3 months, you will see a drastic change because this powerful habit is underrated. Let me explain. Once a week, spend zero money. No online orders, no food delivery, no impulsive buys. Why this works? Because it breaks spending addiction, reset your dopamine, makes you conscious of unnecessary expenses. And trust me, you are going to hate yourself when you notice how much you are spending on unnecessary things. In 2026, money isn't lost in big expenses. It leaks in small daily habits. No spending days plug those leaks. Financial literacy in 2026 isn't about being rich overnight. It's about control, awareness, systems, long-term thinking. Build this habit now and future you will quietly thank you every single day. Now it's time, my friends. Fresh year, fresh start. Make sure the habit you build from January get you where you want to go till December. I wish you very best of luck. Get to work now.